Branding videos are a critical component of any successful marketing strategy. Engaging videos help to visually convey a brand's emotions, personality, and values, establishing a deep and meaningful emotional connection with your target audience. By effectively showcasing your brand through video, you can differentiate yourself from your competitors, increase brand awareness, and ultimately drive sales and subscriptions. With HeyGen, creating a branding video is easy and effortless. In just 4 simple steps, you can bring your brand to life and captivate your audience. Start by choosing the perfect template to visually tell your brand story. Whether you're promoting an e-commerce business or developing a learning program, our designs will help you create an immersive experience that captures your audience's attention. Next, create a custom avatar that represents your brand. With a spokesperson that matches your branding, you'll be able to establish a deep and meaningful emotional connection with your audience. Upload your branding assets, including your color scheme, logo, and any other materials that define your brand. You can even organize them in a dedicated folder for easy access. Finally, craft your branding story and use ChatGPT to take it to the next level. When you're done, save it as a custom template so you can use it again and again whenever you need to create branding-related content. With HeyGen, you can create a well-crafted branding video that sets your business apart from the competition. The speed, ease, and affordability of our platform, along with its unique features, make HeyGen the perfect tool for businesses of any size. So start creating your branding video today and stand out in a crowded marketplace.